Many of you have probably heard of new laws, policies, and initiatives to reduce the consumption of single-use plastics such as grocery bags and plastic straws, which have contributed to massive islands of waste, ruining oceans and beaches and killing animals. One of the ways that we can all work together to better understand and promote environmental science and research is to consider how our daily lives, individually and collectively, impact the environment, even in places that might be on the other side of the globe from us. A relatively new way to raise awareness of local impact on the global environment is ecotourism. In the past, tourism was often associated with wasteful consumption, going on vacation and eating too much, drinking too much, and more or less trashing the very beautiful places you were traveling to in the first place. But now, with many people living much healthier lifestyles and with raised awareness about sustainability and environmental impact, the popularity of ecotourism is a much better fit with many people's lives and lifestyles.
For more information, visit saveourseas.org.